your Merlins, your Zeus, Goliath, United We Stand. 2 double break shells. All right, next we're going to shoot 2 triple break shells. You can find this in your Trilogy, your Goliath, your United We Stands. 2 triple break shells. All right, those were your 2 triple break shells. Next, we're going to shoot 2 40-gram canisters. You can find this in Zeus, United We Stands, Instigator. 2 40-gram canisters. All right, those were your 2 40-gram canisters. Next, we're going to shoot 2 60-gram canisters. These you can find in King Arthur, Sir Lancelot, and the #1 selling artillery shell out there in the US of A, world-class Excalibur. All right, those were your 2 60-gram canisters. Again, you can find those in Sir Lancelot, King Arthur, and your #1 selling artillery shell, Excalibur. All right, before we start the 500-gram cakes here, I just want to take 1 second here to wish Hannah Thomas a happy birthday today. So happy birthday, Hannah Thomas. All right, moving on to the 500-gram cakes here. Item number 46, World Class Magic, package 8-1. Item number 46, World Class Magic. That's item number 46, World Class Magic. Nice little 16-shot, 500-gram cake there. All right, moving on. Item number 47, new for 2019. Currently have this item in stock. World Class Heavy Artillery. Nice comments with multi-effects here.
I'm assuming that's a malfunction.
I liked it.
That was item number 47, Heavy Artillery. Again, great comic cake with multi-effects there, as you can see.
Ground effects and everything.
Again, we do have that item in stock.
Yeah, you're still going to have it next year.
Moving on, item number 48, World Class Polar Attack. This is package 6-1. World Class Polar Attack. That was item number 48, World Class Polar Attack. Moving on, the last item on this page. New for 2019. This was actually new for last year, but we got it in late. So it's new for this year. World Class Rock Till You Drop. This item is currently in stock. Rock Till You Drop.
That was good.
Yeah, baby. Great multi-effect cake there. That was new from last year, but we're calling it new for this year. World Class Rock Till You Drop.
Justin! Justin! Woo!
All right, moving on to the next item on the next page. Item number 50. World Class Yikes. Package 6-1, great selling, 500 gram cake here. World Class.
Banger.
Item number 50, World Class Yikes, package 6-1. All right, moving on, item number 52, new for 2019. This is currently in stock. We have a ton of these. Great price point item here, right around that $40 range for a 6-1 World Class Freedom Fighter, new for 2019.
No, that was Freedom Fighter.
All right, just to clarify, that was item number 52, the Fireworker. That was new for last year. They're going to shoot item number 51 here, new for 2019, Freedom Fighter right now. This is new for 2019, Freedom Fighter. This is a good, hard-hitting, good, lasting glitter effect cake. Again, 6-1 in stock.
Nice.
All right, again, that was item number 51, Freedom Fighter, new for 2019, currently in stock. All right, moving on, item number 53, new for 2019, World Class Fire and Fury, currently in stock. Good mind effect.
Different from the video.
That was item number 53, Fire and Fury, new for 2019. Again, currently in stock. Next was a new item from last year, item number 54, Honor and Respect. World Class Honor and Respect, item number 54. That was item number 54, World Class Honor and Respect. Moving on, new for 2019, item number 55, World Class Deadly Strike, currently in stock. Good hard-hitting 500-gram cake, good pistol tips here. That was item number 55, new for 2019, World Class Deadly Strike. Again, good hard hitting, good pistol tip, 500-gram cake, currently in stock. All right, next item is item number 56, World Class Panda Tie. That was item number 56, World Class Panda Tie. All right, moving on to item number 57. This is a great finale piece for a backyard finale for anyone. Long-lasting 500-gram item here. World Class American Riders.
Pop her on in, huh?
American Riders. Again, good finale piece for anyone that's wanting a good long duration 500-gram item there. Good finale piece for anyone like that. Great multi-effects. All right, moving on to item number 58.
I voted.
New for 2019, World Class Land of the Free, Home of the Brave. We will have this item, but it will be limited. Good wide-angled effects. World Class Land of the Free, Home of the Brave.
That's a Bobby thing right there.
I like that one.
Bobby!
Yeah, that one's on my list.
Bobby!
Everything except for the crackle on the end.
I like that one. You getting that one, Daryl? Come on, Daryl, get it.
That was item number 58, new for 2019. World
I'll get it for you,
Class Land of
Bobby.
the Free, Home of the Brave. Again, we will have that item, but it will be about mid-May, but it will be limited. All right, last item on page number
what do they
6.
call it?
Item number 59, new from last year. World Class Distractions, package 4-1. Item number 59.
Blossoms.
That was item number 59, new from last year. world-class distractions.
Woo!
All right, flipping the page over to number
Too
7. Item number 60. Currently in stock. World-class new for 2019 Clown Skull. A good multi-stage effects, killer, 500-gram cake.
Color was nice, but the finale.
All right, that was item number
good filler
60,
cake.
new for 2019 world-class Clown Skull.
I'm gonna have that.
Again, multi-stage effects, good color, currently in stock. All right, moving on to item number 61. This was new from
My
last year.
name on it.
World-class
See?
American
Taylor.
born. Number 61.
A boat.
Guys, item number 61. World-class American born. Again, that was a new item from last year. All right, moving on to item number 62. Currently in stock. World-class Bachelor Party. Good
That's the one I was
multi-stage
gonna get.
effects, good hard-hitting 500-gram cake.
Right. Right? No, I need
That was
to-
item number 62, new for 2019, world-class Bachelor Party. Again, that item is currently in stock. Moving on, item number 63, this was new from last year, world-class Bad Reputation. Nice little comet tail effect there with that item. Again, that was item number 63, world-class Bad Reputation.
Yeah.
All right, next item, item number 64, we will not be shooting. This was new for this year, Apache Strike. We will not be shooting this item due to it not arriving in time. So we'll skip that item, move on to item number 65, World Class Reign Supreme.
Why, you
Item
shot
number
gorilla this
65.
year, and you can't get it till next year.
Right.
Come on, make up your mind.
Not bad.
Guys, take a picture.
Good multicolored 500-gram cake there. Again, that was item number 65, World Class Reign Supreme. Moving on, item number 66, new for 2019, currently in stock, World Class Give Me Liberty. Good multi-stage red, white, and blue item here. Great patriotic item.
Daddy, hold it for me. I don't... Justin!
Yeah, boy.
56.
That was item number 66. New for 2019, World Class Give Me Liberty. Again, that item is currently in stock. Good red, white, and blue patriotic item right there. Moving on, another good US World Class item, USA Pride, item number 67. Good red, white, and blue item here as well. 25 shot, red, white, and blue. USA Pride. That was item number 67, World Class USA Pride. Another good red, white, and blue cake. All right, moving on, second to the last item on the page, item number 68, World Class Honor and Glory. Item number 68.
That was quick.
Wow.
It didn't go all the way, I don't think.
That was item number 68, World Class
Yeah, maybe it
Honor
did.
and
It's
Glory.
like 13 shots. I guess it did.
500 gram, 13 shot cake. All right, moving on, last item on page number 7 here. Item number 69. We will not be shooting.
13-shot cake.
Yeah.
Justin!
Justin. Item number 69, Demonized. We will not be shooting due to it not arriving in time. So flip the page here. Item number 70. We will have this item. It will arrive about mid-May. New for 2019. World Class United States of America.